If you're looking for a sure way to get an invite code for Sora 2, the best way is to join OpenAI's official Discord server. Inside the OpenAI Discord, there is a designated channel called Sora 2 Codes, where people are posting their codes. Since there are a lot of people, you will have to be quick in copying and pasting the code onto the Sora 2 page. However, literally minutes after joining the Discord, I was able to do this, so I'm sure you will be able to as well. Here is the full instructions on how to do this. Make sure you have a Discord account, and if not, register for one first. Then, search on Google for OpenAI Discord. Look for the official link and join the Discord server. Once you're in order to see the various channels, including the Sora 2 channel, you'll be required to verify your ChatGPT account on the Discord server. Press the Verify button and it will take you to the OpenAI login page where you log in with your account. You don't have to have a paid ChatGPT account for this, you just need a ChatGPT account. After, you will get a message that it will verify you and update your status on the server by itself. You may have to wait several hours. Once you are verified, you will get a direct message from OpenAI on Discord, and now you can access the channels, including Sora-2-codes. Go to this channel. Go to the Sora 2 website and sign in with your ChatGPT account. Navigate to the invite code page and have it open and ready to enter a code. Then stay on the Sora 2 Codes Discord channel and try the codes people post. Eventually, you will get a working one.